Holy moly, I told you so, I told you so, and I told you so. Here's a couple of things I told you so that came exactly true. Back in 2020, I said that we're going to have double-digit interest rate. And people called me crazy, but the Fed just had a meeting, and they're talking about raising interest rate. But what they're not saying is we're going to have double-digit interest rate just like the 1980s, okay? I told you so back in 2016 that gold is going to rocket. And people call me crazy. Guess what, guys? Gold rocketed. It hit all-time high, okay? I told you back in 2018 that Bitcoin is going to rocket after the crash. When it crashed 60, 80%, I said it's going to go back up. People said that was crazy. In 2019, I said we're going to have civil unrest in America. People said I was crazy. There you go. We have civil unrest in America, guys. Back in 2016, I said that we're going to have massive because I said we're going to have massive stock market crash and we're going to have massive job losses just like the 1980s. And guess what, guys? I nailed it. We already had a 40 to 50% crash. The markets are back up, but this is just the pre-warm-up, okay? We're seeing months now in the red. So in my opinion, we're going to see a bigger sell-off coming up in the market like we've never seen before. And at the same time, I was right on the nail that we saw massive job losses in America that actually totaled or overcame what was in the 1980s, okay? Guys, in 2016, I told you so that real estate's going to be in trouble. And guess what, guys? 2020, 2021, we've seen hundreds and millions of people in forbearance programs, which means they can't pay their rent, guys. They can't pay their mortgages. Back in 2019, I said that we're going to have $9 per gallon gas prices. And we can see that gas prices are starting to hit towards that direction. And you'll see, guys, we will see $9 per gallon gas prices in America, okay? Guys, in 2021, I made multiple videos for you guys saying that I'm selling off my Bitcoin because I see immediate danger in Bitcoin short-term Bitcoin crash. Guys, I just nailed it. We saw a 40, 50% crash from 60 all the way down to 32, guys, okay? So simply put, guys, I've been nailing it left and right. If I was in baseball, I'd be a Hall of Famer because in baseball, you only have to hit the ball 3 times out of 10 to be a Hall of Famer. And it looks like I've been hitting all the balls that's been coming to me, from Bitcoin to the real estate to gold, whatever you name it. I predicted it, and it looks like I've been right on the dot, guys, right on the dot. So I just want to do a quick video saying, I told you so. The guy that came to America as a refugee, that doesn't know left and right, didn't even speak the language, has predicted it like a bullseye. From Bitcoin to gold to job employment to real estate, that we're going to have massive trouble in America. And we're seeing it today, guys, okay? We're seeing it today, and there's more to come. This is just the beginning. This is just the warm-up. Inflation is just barely getting here, and once we get double-digit interest rate, we're going to see some major problems. And that's why we are seeing the Fed, you guys, the Central Bank of America, the right-hand company, right? They created the right-hand company. They're giving them almost interest-free loans to go buy neighborhoods, to go buy blocks of real estate, because right now they're buying new homes, but I betcha that in a minute they're going to be buying the forbearance loans from mortgage lenders. They're going to go out there and buy blankets of delinquent mortgages to not allow these mortgages to hit the foreclosure auction, to not allow the inventory to hit the REO, because what that's going to do is going to suppress the price of real estate even further down. So this time the Fed is getting smarter than the last crash, which was 2006, 2007, where they foreclosed on millions of Americans and they sold their homes at the auction. This time the Fed is creating, giving money to their friends, the people closest to the printing press. And these people, these fund managers, these Wall Street corporations are going out there and just buying blankets and blankets of neighborhoods. And I predict that in this real estate crash, the Fed and his closest friends are going to just come down and scoop up all these forbearance programs, or most of these forbearance houses, and the inventory is never going to hit the foreclosure auction. And these corporations, these Wall Streets, are going to become Americans' landlord. They're going to become the landlord of America, because they know that the dollar is trash. They know that they're printing so much that the dollar has no value. So they want to take this fake money that they created out of the printing press and buy hard assets like real estate. Because real estate, guys, like I've been saying it for many, many years, is inflation hedge proof. So when we print a lot of money, we're seeing that today, that in real estate prices going up and up. So there's a great correlation with printing money and asset prices going up, guys. So quick video, please click the like button, share this message, leave me your thoughts below. Much love.